Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video we are going to go to someone's house to dig up some hydrangeas and some grasses. They actually wanted to throw it away and I said I will take them. I've realized that not everyone loves plants. Okay, they just want basic lawn, they just want all green flat. I'm sorry, my neighbor is sort of cutting the lawn, so yeah, so that's why you have that noise in there. But yeah, so we're gonna go. I just literally washed my SUV. I wash it by hand myself, so I have these things here just to line the inside. I don't want to get it dirty because it takes me forever to wash the car, and now that it's clean, I don't know. So yeah, so we are going to head down there and I'll show you the plants that we're going to be digging up. All right, so let's go ahead and get started.
Fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. Pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about the way we are. You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we.
I wanted to show you this shovel that I think I've shown this in one of my videos. I got this off Amazon, and these have serrated edges, and I have to tell you, they make digging and transplanting so easy. So I'm hoping I should just be here for an hour. I'm told they've given some, like they threw some of the grasses away. I mean, if I show you these grasses, they're so gorgeous. I don't know why they threw them out. I think some people just don't know that there are people out there who would take free plants, I guess. I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna show you as to why anyone would throw that out. So I am over here at the back of the house right now. They have these big hydrangeas. I think this is what they don't want. They want this gone. These are very matured and can't be divided. I think they have another one here. This I think is oak leaf, but I could be wrong, right? There's so many different hydrangeas here in Connecticut. I've seen the lace cap. The lace cap is gorgeous. This has to go, they said. They don't want this one right here. This here has to go. They don't want this one, and I have to tell you, they don't want this hydrangea here also. Look at this one here, they don't want also. So I'm gonna see how much I can get. All right, and then this grasses, they've already thrown some of these grasses out, which I think is so crazy. They don't want these grasses here. You know, I think there's about there's one here. There is one, two, three, 4, 5. So when you come in here, I think they look pretty nice. You know what I mean? They don't want any of these. They've already thrown some of these out, they said, right? So, and then they have this one right here. They don't want that. I do think these make a very nice privacy hedge, and they don't want this also. But my god, look at this. Oh, they don't want this also, so I may have to come back and dig this up some other day. Let me go back a little bit. Look at this grass. Yeah.
There's something different about the way we are.
I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I'm gonna party until I drop. When I begin, I don't know how to stop. I can party on till the morning comes, till the sun goes up. We don't stop, no. I see you looking at me, but you don't stand a chance, you see. You don't know how to act. I'm looking for class. Can you please take a step back? I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I'm gonna party until I drop. I'm not looking for love, I'm looking for fun. Just because I have on skin tight jeans doesn't mean I need a man to save me. I do it all for fun. Looking hot in my 501s. Don't you know I tease? I'm not here to please, but you're way too dumb to see. Hey stupid, you think I want you just because I am a woman. Hey stupid, I don't want you, I don't want you. Hey stupid, I do it all for fun. Looking hot in my 501s. Don't you know I tease? I'm not here to please, but you're way too dumb to see. I will get my
Hey guys, so I'm just sitting by the tree here relaxing. The homeowner's daughter just brought me like something to drink. She's so kind. Her name is Kelsey. She's so cute. The digging up this thing has been so tedious. I didn't think it was going to be this difficult. It's so well rooted in the ground. It's very, very well rooted, and it's crazy. I'm hoping I can dig the grass also today because I don't want to come back. I'm far away. It's in the next 2 towns, so hopefully I can get the plants that I came here for, and then I don't have to come back. All right, so
hey stupid, you think I want you just because I am a woman. Hey stupid, I don't want you, but you're way too dumb to see. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I'm gonna party until I drop. When I begin, I don't know how to stop. I can party on till the morning comes, till the sun goes up. We don't stop, no. I see you looking at me, but you don't stand a chance, you see. You don't know how to act. I'm looking for class. Can you please take a step back? I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now.
Hey guys, I'm just back home now. As you can see at the door there, it's really dark. But I was able to get most of the hydrangeas and all that. I didn't even have any space in my car for the grass, so I'm so glad I didn't dig that up, you know. So I'm gonna go back again because I want to get rid of more plants. I just have to figure out where I'm going to put them. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please do consider subscribing, and I also hope you're staying safe out there, okay? And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.